Cloud computing refers to the delivery of computing services, such as storage, processing, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence, over the Internet, the cloud. It enables users to access and use these services on demand, without the need to build and maintain their own infrastructure. Cloud computing has several key benefits. Cost savings. By using cloud computing, you can avoid the upfront costs of purchasing and maintaining hardware and software, as well as the ongoing costs of power, cooling, and IT staff. Scalability. Cloud computing allows you to scale up or down your usage of resources as needed, so you only pay for what you use. Flexibility. With cloud computing, you can access your data and applications from anywhere with an internet connection, and you can easily add or remove users as needed. Reliability. Cloud service providers have redundant systems and backup procedures in place to ensure the availability and reliability of their services. There are several types of cloud computing services. Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS. This type of cloud service provides infrastructure resources, such as computing power, storage, and networking, over the Internet. Platform as a Service, PaaS. This type of cloud service provides a platform for developing, testing, and deploying applications over the Internet. Software as a Service, SaaS. This type of cloud service provides access to software applications over the Internet, usually on a subscription basis. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions or if you would like more information on cloud computing.